Hello students, my name is Kamboj and in this video I'm going to start with writing task 2. This video is for both academic as well as general Ielts students because writing task 2 is similar for both types. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the types of questions that you can get in your exam. In writing task 2, we have 5 different types of questions. The first one is agree or disagree type of question. The second is discuss both views, advantages and disadvantages, problem, cause and solution, and double question. So let's discuss these things in more detail so that you could able to understand in a better way. The first one is agree or disagree type of question. In this type of question you will get a statement and then they will ask you that do you agree with this opinion or not. They might ask you that to what extent do you agree or disagree. So you have to give your opinion. I can also call it as an opinion based questions or opinion question where you have to discuss about your opinion. The second one is discuss both views. In this you will get two statements. Some people believe this, however others think this. Then they will ask you discuss both views. They will give you two opinions, you have to discuss both opinions. That is known as discuss both opinion type of question. The third one is advantages and disadvantages. In this type of question they will give you a statement. Then they will say to you that discuss advantages and disadvantages. They might say that does advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Like you can get two different variety of questions under this section. Either it would be of outweigh type, like where you have to say that does advantages outweigh the disadvantages, or you will simply get discuss both, discuss advantages and disadvantages. The fourth one is problem, cause and solution type of question. In this type of question, you will get a statement. Then they will say that what are the causes and what are the solution for this thing. I can give an example that most of students love to read e-books. What are the reasons or what are the solutions for this? Or I can also say that many people love to eat fast food. What are the causes behind this scenario and what are the solution for this thing? Like you will get any question like this. It may be related to technology, it may be related to food, it may be related to anything like normal topics. The last one is double questions. In double questions you will get mixture of any two things. They might ask you at what extent do you agree or disagree and give some solutions. They will give you a statement and then they will ask you like this. So you have to discuss any like two things in it. It would be like two questions. You will get two questions under this section. So this is all about 5 different types of questions that you can get in your exam. So thanks a lot for today, and if you are new at my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thanks a lot.